Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, I sound froggy today. Allergies are kicking my butt. I'm a day late on my giveaway. I wanted to do a little tour of my reorganized yarn and then giveaway number 38. Stay tuned. So I went through and organized my yarn. A lot of the Hank style yarn is now up on top so that I can be reminded to use that beautiful stuff. And then we got some color going here. Blues, all kind of blues. Blues. And then some purples. A few cakes at the bottom. Over on the left, pink. All the pink mixes. Yeah, it's not totally organized, you guys. It's just better. And we got some big multis in the bottom that are kind of baby yarn. And then we've got velours. There's some cotton cones. And then we move on to cakes. Got cakes, and more cakes. Velour again on the bottom. There's some wearable type cotton. There is more cakes. There's all my novelty yarns. Let me see if I can show you. Right there, those are the novelties. And we got some kind of buff sort of colored bases and some more cakes at the top. And over here, here's the gift aisle. Waiting for some winners starting today. We got white, we got black and white, we got a little off-white, we got black. Then we go to the tans, the browns that you can't even see. More tan, tawny, mustardy. Down at the very bottom on the left is all my ribbon style, t-shirt style yarn. And some cotton for large homemades. And we got gray, and some more gray, and some orange, and some yellow and orange, and peach, and orange. Then I've got the kits filling the bottom, and whips, kits and whips. Those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes of whips and kits. We got green, purple, pink, red, maroon, more purple, more green, more maroony, pinky, orange, somewhere in the middle-y. And then we got some velour over here, the cones, the large cones. There's the cotton we're saving for the birdies. Couple of kits that I couldn't fit in the bottom. That is all of my yarn, and it's mostly by color except for velour. I put a bunch of velour together. It just is, velour is something I struggle a bit with. Then I got all my novelties here, including I have 2 more, 3 more, I don't know, 2 more I think, of these 7 weights, and I think that's going to be one of the baskets I make for this giveaway number 38. And of course, instead of going for the muted one, we'll go for this one. All right, that'll be very pretty. So that's what we're making with that. And then you're going to need some yarn to go with that, which I will select and show, I don't know, at a later date. But rest assured, there will be something given away with this basket that I'm going to make. And in order to enter, please go to my community tab and find the referral video. What is the name of the video? I just had it in my head. I'm going to have to put it on the screen here when I edit the video. So, this is your how to enter. Now you must go to the actual video and watch it. It's a Things We're Making Thursday edition. Go watch that, and then you will make a comment on that, and that will be your entry. So this starts, well, I guess we'll make it start today instead of yesterday, since I never posted yesterday. So today is the 19th of March, and the contest will end on the 26th of March. And I hope you have an awesome day. See you later.